Hi, my name is Dylan Cousins, Industrial Sales Engineer for Phoenix Contact for Indiana. For a number of years now, Phoenix Contact has been a leader in terminal block and connection technology. From the first recorded patent on the modular terminal block back in the late 1920s to the invention of push-in connection technology a little over a decade ago, Phoenix Contact and reliability in connection technology go hand in hand. So what is push-in connection technology? Let's dive into a few of the features. Number one, when combined with a solid or ferruled wire, push-in connection technology allows for tool-free installation. This tool-free installation can reduce wiring time by up to 50%. Number two, pull-out force. Phoenix Contact rates the pull-out force of their push-in technology blocks to 5 times the IEC standard. This results in an incredibly vibration-resistant connection and the strongest pull-out force on the market. So what are some downfalls of push-in connection technology, you might ask? Well, the most common problem that we see is the ability to be able to read both the marking and where you're terminating the wire. Traditional push-in connection technology requires you to come out of the wire duct and into the top of the terminal block. As you can see, this can block the marking and make it difficult for you to determine where you are landing your wire. In order to combat this common downfall of traditional push-in connection technology, Phoenix Contact created PTV, or Push-in Technology Vertical. As you can see, you get all of the traditional benefits of push-in technology with the form factor of a traditional screw terminal block. The wire is inserted exactly the same, except this time you can clearly see the marking and where you're terminating your wire. PTV is just one more addition to the ever-growing line of push-in technology terminal blocks from Phoenix Contact.